Hey y'all, today I'm gonna share with you how I make Tres Leches Cake. So last week I made about 3 Tres Leches cakes because I was trying to find the ingredients and measurements that really gave the flavor that I loved, and that's what I'm gonna share with you today. So you wanna start out with 3 mixing bowls, a small, a medium, and a large. In the small bowl, measure out 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and whisk it together. Next, separate 5 egg yolks and egg whites.
Good job.
You want to put the yolks in the medium bowl and the whites in the large bowl. In the bowl with the egg yolks, add about 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar, and you're going to whisk it with a hand mixer on high speed until it's a pale yellow.
Mixture.
Next, add 1/3 cup of whole milk
And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1 and 2. A little extra splash. That's okay.
Moving on to the egg whites, whisk on high speed until it doubles in size. Next, add 1/4 cup of sugar. Add the sugar in gradually while you continue mixing. Keep whisking until you see soft peaks forming. Next, add in the flour mixture into the medium bowl with the egg yolks and mix it in by hand. When you're done with that, add the egg whites in as well and mix that in by hand, and you're going to have a really fluffy cake batter. You want to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. So leave the cake resting on the counter until it reaches room temperature. You don't want to add in the milk when it's warm because it will just get really mushy. Next, you want to poke holes all throughout the cake so that the milk can really be absorbed all the way through. Now we are going to make the milk mixture. So we're going to have 1 cup of whole milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and you can use the whole 14 ounces of condensed milk, but I like to do maybe like 3/4 of it, just so it's not so sweet, or however you like it. So after you pour in the milk mixture, store it in the fridge for 4 hours so you can give the cake some time to absorb all of the milk.
Okay guys, so now we're moving on to making the homemade whipped cream. So I have right here 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And I keep these in the fridge so that they are nice and cold, because you want everything to be really cold when you're whipping this. Perfect. So now let's go ahead and you're going to whip it on high. It'll usually take around like 5 to 10 minutes, I think. And you want to be moving the whisk around so you can really fluff it up. All right, perfect. And go ahead and give it a taste.
You can also add a teaspoon of vanilla to get that extra flavor.
So that's fully whipped.
This cake was so moist and fluffy and the perfect amount of sweetness. I'm telling you, every cake that I made was gone within the next day or so, because I gave it out to friends, family, and everyone loved it. I also gave some to my friend who just recently had a birthday. So happy birthday, Agustin. I hope that you really like the cake. And yeah, I really hope you guys try this recipe. It's really, really good. Thanks. I'll see you in my next one.